Introducing the perfect networking tool for professionals, sales and marketing team, entrepreneur, service provider, and more. Customize and personalize. Select and add theme and give brand colors to your card. Share your card via text, QR code, social media, Bluetooth, NFC, and high-tech radar. Live address book with real-time update. Visualize your contact density. Maintain calendar. Manage follow-up, events, and meeting dates. Convert clients into prospects with CRM. Give a tag and comment and schedule a follow-up. Wait, there's more. Scan paper business card. Scan and save. We built a networking tool for professional and team looking to networking smarter and to improve your sales funnel. Flick and link.